What up, my name's Casey. Today we're going to be building this wonderful Dewalt battery holder. Mounts to your wall, holds all your Dewalt batteries. So, if you interested, stick around. Okay, what up guys? So, today we're going to be making a holder for these Dewalt batteries. Something that'll go on the wall, and then I can just clip a bunch of these batteries to. So let's see what we can come up with. So I got the battery right here. This MDF board that I got off the back of a cabinet fits kind of snug enough in here that I think it'll work. So that fits, you know, on there. It's a little shaky, but it's okay. I have these little tabs in here so that, you know, you can't just hook these batteries into anything, I guess. So I'm gonna have to put it on an angle like that, so that when I slide it on, it goes all the way down, and I have the most amount of this stuff holding on my batteries so my batteries don't fall off the wall. So I'm gonna make a drawing here, a trace. I'll cut whatever this length is all the way down. I'll cut a strip, and then I'll figure out this angle, cut these angles out, and then I'll screw them to the back of a long board that'll be my battery holder. So I got it pretty figured out, and we're gonna take care of it. So it looks pretty close to a 6-degree angle. That's real close to a 6-degree angle. 6.1. So now we're gonna measure this guy right here, and this guy is about 1 3/8 inches. We'll give it an inch and a half. Okay, so I got these batteries sitting here, and they're both in there. So I'm going to make 1-inch cut pieces to glue right here. I'll nail them onto a strip. Okay, so I got that with my little guy right here. It's a nice little spacer, and that'll be good. Okay, so measuring my batteries, I want to go from the bottom of this to the top as far as it can go down. That looks like 2 3/4 inches. I'm going to put it at 2 5/8. Okay, so I got this 2-inch spacer, and that's the space I need in between these two bottom blocks. So I glued this piece on right now, and I'm going to glue the next piece on, and then I'm going to put this on, and then once I get this first piece on, then the rest of them should just be in line after that with this spacer and this and one of these, because this is exactly the bottom distance I need between these guys. there it is, finished product. So now I got somewhere to hang my, my batteries. I'll probably build another one and put it down here so I can have more batteries. I have a lot of batteries. So if you like what you see, like, subscribe, and I'll see you again next week.